Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the English Learning Channel. I'm Mary.
Hi, friends. I'm John. I'm learning English just like you.
Today, we have a fun and useful topic.
Yes, we will learn English at the restaurant.
That's right, John. Eating out is part of daily life.
And English is very useful in a restaurant.
Exactly. Don't worry, we will use easy English
Simple words, short sentences.
and real conversation.
I'm ready, Mary.
Great. Let's begin. Imagine this. You walk into a restaurant.
Okay, I'm walking in.
The waiter smiles and says, "Hello."
What does the waiter say?
The waiter says, "Hello, welcome."
That's easy. Hello, welcome.
Yes. Then you reply,
I can say hello.
"Perfect." You can also say, "Hello, thank you."
Hello, thank you.
Very good. Now, the waiter may ask a question.
A question?
Yes, the waiter asks, "How many people?"
How many people?
This means how many people are eating.
Oh, okay.
If you are alone, you say one person.
One person.
If you are with a friend, you say two people.
Two people.
Easy, right?
Yes, very easy.
Now you sit at the table.
I'm sitting.
The waiter gives you the menu.
The menu has food and drinks.
Correct. The waiter may say, "Here is the menu."
Here is the menu.
You can say, "Thank you."
Thank you.
Polite English is important.
Yes, I like polite English.
Now you look at the menu.
There are many foods.
Yes, take your time.
What if I need more time?
Good question. You can say, "I need more time."
I need more time.
Or you can say, "Just a minute, please."
Just a minute, please.
Very nice. The waiter comes back.
Okay.
The waiter asks, "Are you ready to order?"
Are you ready to order?
This means, are you ready to choose food?
If I am ready, what do I say?
You say, "Yes, I'm ready."
Yes, I'm ready.
If you are not ready, you say, "Not yet."
Not yet.
Simple and natural. Now let's order food.
This is exciting.
Let's start with drinks.
Okay.
You can say, "I would like water."
I would like water.
Good. You can also say, "Can I have water?"
Can I have water?
Both are correct and polite.
I like can I have.
Me too. It's very common. Now let's order food.
I'm hungry.
You can say, "I would like a burger."
I would like a burger.
Or, "Can I have a burger?"
Can I have a burger?
Perfect.
What about fries?
You can say, "And fries, please."
And fries, please.
Don't forget please.
Please is important.
Sometimes the waiter asks questions.
Like what?
The waiter may ask, "For here or to go?"
For here or to go?
This means eat here or take the food away.
Oh, okay.
If you eat in the restaurant, say, "For here."
For here.
If you take it with you, say, "To go."
To go.
Very good. The waiter may ask, "Anything else?"
Anything else?
This means, "Do you want more food?"
If I want more, I say yes.
Yes. You can say, "Yes, please."
Yes, please.
If you don't want more, say, "No, thank you."
No, thank you.
Very polite. Now you wait for your food.
Waiting is easy.
When the food comes, the waiter says, "Here you go."
Here you go.
You say, "Thank you."
Thank you.
Always say thank you.
I will.
Now let's talk about problems.
Problems.
Yes, small problems.
Okay.
If the food is cold, you can say, "Excuse me,"
Excuse me.
then say, "The food is cold."
The food is cold.
Keep your voice calm and friendly.
Calm and friendly.
Good English and good manners. What if you don't understand the waiter?
That happens to me.
It's okay. You can say, "Sorry, can you repeat?"
Sorry, can you repeat?
Or, can you speak slowly, please?
Can you speak slowly, please?
Very helpful sentences.
I feel more confident now.
Now, let's talk about the bill.
The bill is the money, right?
Yes, when you finish eating, you ask for the bill.
What do I say?
You say, "Can I have the bill, please?"
Can I have the bill, please?
Or, "Check, please."
Check, please.
Both are common. The waiter brings the bill.
Okay.
You look at it.
I pay the money.
Yes, you can pay by cash or card.
If I use a card,
You can say, "I'll pay by card."
I'll pay by card.
Simple and clear. Before you leave, say goodbye.
Goodbye.
You can say, "Thank you, goodbye."
Thank you. Goodbye.
Or, "Have a nice day."
Have a nice day.
Very friendly English. Let's do a short recap.
A summary.
Yes. At the restaurant, you say hello.
Hello, welcome.
You ask for a table.
One person, two people.
You order food.
Can I have a burger, please?
You ask for the bill.
Can I have the bill, please?
Excellent, John.
Thank you, Mary.
Dear listeners, you can do this too.
Yes, you can speak English.
Don't be afraid.
Small steps are okay.
Practice makes you better.
Practice every day.
Now, we want to hear from you.
Yes.
What food do you like to order at a restaurant?
Tell us in the comments.
Write a simple sentence.
Like, I like pizza.
Perfect example. If you enjoy learning with us,
Please like this episode
subscribe to the English Learning Channel.
and share with your friends.
Learning is better together.
Thank you for listening.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.